Salamat
Morning.
po sa pag-attend ninyo ng ating fun run.
Hindi na ako sanay mag-address ng isang ganitong klaseng gathering. I used to be chairman of the Philippine Olympic Committee and still president of Philippine Taekwondo Association. Pero mas nabuhos na kasi ang time namin sa marriage encounter, kaya parang hindi ko alam yata sasabihin ko sa inyo. But anyway, ang gusto ko lang sana sabihin, gusto kong pasalamatan ng Albino family. Palakpakan natin sila. This year's, itong inaatinan nyo ngayon na fun run, ito ay na-organize ng Marriage Encounter Foundation of the Philippines through the Buklod 1 community headed by June and Aida Albino. Natutuwa kami dahil hindi lamang sila mag-asawa ang na-involve dito, pati ang kanilang buong pamilya. Palakpakan natin sila uli. At meron pa silang in-import galing Costa Rica para magbigay sa inyo ng warm-up kanina. Nasaan na siya? Yung daughter nila. Nandun yung mag-asawa, palakpakan natin. Kasama pa niya yung husband niya from Costa Rica and then yung kanilang daughter. But anyway, we wish you luck. Sa Taekwondo, we used to say, go for the gold. Kasi yung silver is the #1 loser. Pag ikaw yung runner-up, you rank as #1 among the losers. But anyway, this is a friendly competition, so we will not go by that rule. We just would like you to enjoy, have fun, kaya nga fun run. So kailangan lang maging maingat tayo para wala tayong mga untoward incident. So good luck to everybody. We're so happy all of you are here. Thank you very much.